Hello.
Hello. Hello.
How are you guys?
Very bad.
Are you feeling good?
Awful.
What happened?
Life. Do you go bananas?
Yes.
Very good.
Yeah! I'll be fucking on the fucking SandStorm! get him motherfucking doors! Sometimes it's hard, people.
I mean, it was nice.
Let's go.
No, you said you can't do it, but you're doing it right now.
Game Tiger doesn't hate. He played this game like a bait. Now people starting fucking hate. Listen, this is SandStorm. This is another fucking game for the fucking devs fucking floor. I'ma hit this fucking motherfucking down floor with these bitches bigger ass. Swear to God, when they come to my TV, oh bro, you fucking smelly.